remote control on. Tell me when you're good for power.
Camera 2.
Cameras?
Good.
Yep. Power on. Okay,
I
here we
got
go.
this, Dad. Power is on.
Power on.
We got O2 pressure.
Okay.
All right, everybody is ready. Stephen, good. JD, good.
Everybody
Good,
got
good,
earplugs,
good. All right.
eyes. Good.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, 0.
It blew up.
Maybe, I don't know. Okay. Power off.
Power off. Ooh, it's
We didn't
sprayed
have ignition.
aspect of the alcohol.
at all.
Came
It just
afterwards,
blew out the fuel.
but none of that big
Interesting.
plume.
I have no idea what happened.
But I see fuel on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It blew and sprayed it out there.
I think,
Yeah.
Throughout the water, the
You
alcohol.
pulled apart there.
well, that bolt was like that.
Yes,
it's
but
pulled-
that
yeah.
manifold's actually cracked there.
Oh, shit. All right, let's take it down and see.
Blue
what-
manifold.
Yeah.
All right, well, we got more plates, so.
Yeah, that's why the alcohol kept coming without having.
Oh, it cracked.
Mhm.
Got another manifold?
We have another manifold, and we have 2 more of those plates.
We gotta test our igniter before we do that again. 'Cause
We
that
will
didn't- That ain't an ignite.
You know, somebody was thinking grain alcohol, not exactly grain alcohol, but they wanted the Bacardi Gold. I like Bacardi Gold.
In this house, it's all just the boxes. I hate to tell you. It's all the boxes from the liquor store.
Uh-huh. It's perfect.
Well, this is a totally different engine type, pretty much, so
Yeah.
it's bound to happen.
It's pretty cool. They even went so far as thinking about potential consequences and safety aspects. Like they mentioned about the hose when it first comes down.
Well, they learned each of these things the hard way.
We did not learn all the things the hard way.
We had the hose
The
on
video of
standby.
when
We
everything
learned
sprayed and
a lot the
sparks
hard
went
way.
on top
That
of
was
the car.
awesome.
That's when they learned to make sure it doesn't fly around if it comes apart.
We're gonna drench this down in water. I got that.
So yesterday it was made official that Taylor can have an unpaid internship with the Mohammed Neck
Taylor, over
Company.
here.
Something
Yeah,
popped
spray
up
it down.
on one of my smart news or what? Somebody just taught one of those Boston robots
Yeah.
how to pee beer.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Then you can run around and pee in your cup and refill your cup.
Oh! Alright. Now it makes sense. I'm like,
I didn't
that's a
support
waste
you.
of really good beer, maybe.
No.
So he's serving you and
Yeah.
others.
And how much do those things cost?
I think they're touching. I think that's what's happening. But still, why did that?
It
crack?
didn't ignite at all.
Yeah, I know.
We definitely gotta do an ignition test.
I left my phone running.
Yeah, let's.
Do we have
Steven
another-
is the fireman,
what?
right?
Another-
Official